And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Ho-ho!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Ho-ho! That's me! Hello, everyone. My name is Sourpuss, and welcome to Christmas time at the Creativity Castle. We are all decorated to celebrate the season. Take a look around. Christmas time is one of my favorite times of the year. I love to celebrate this holiday season with all my friends and family. And speaking of some of my friends, here are some of my pals now.
It was cold
Wait,
out there.
These are the pencils. But where's Penny? Oh, I didn't recognize you, Penny.
Merry Christmas, Sourpuss.
Penny and her pals are always cheering me on.
Yay, Sourpuss.
Today, we are going to do a holiday follow-along.
Whoopee!
And today's special holiday follow-along is a Christmas tree surrounded by gifts.
Ooh, that's a fun idea.
So if you're ready, let's begin.
I'm so excited, I just can't hide it.
For today's follow-along, all you need is some paper and a black marker. I like to use a thin black marker for today's drawing so I can include all kinds of little details. And today's follow-along can be found for free on my website in the printable section.
Let's go, my pencil friends.
And for this follow-along, remember you can always pause this video at any time. To begin this follow-along, I will draw the star to top off our Christmas tree. And for this star, I will be drawing a four-pointed star. This four-pointed star is often used for decoration during the Christmas season. This particular star is often known as the Bethlehem star, the star that represents both Jesus' birth and the purpose for which he was born. And now I will begin to draw our tree. You can draw your tree any way you'd like. For my tree, I want it to look a little fluffy and not so prickly. I want to draw a soft Christmas tree. And as I draw the branches of my tree, I can be very creative as to how many branches on each layer of the tree I draw. Today, my tree will have 3 layers of branches. They will start small and get a little bigger as we go down towards the bottom of the tree. And you can be very creative as to how you draw your tree. Perhaps you have a Christmas tree at your home in one of your rooms. You can use your tree as an example to draw. Today's Christmas tree follow-along can also be found on our website at Sauerpuss and Friends in the printable section. There, you can always download this tree and color it in, and also be more creative and add more details to the drawing. Now I will add one final row of Christmas tree branches. As I finish up these branches, I can begin to think about what sort of decorations I can draw on this tree. What kind of tree should we draw? I think today I will make my tree look a little old-fashioned. To make this tree look a little more old-fashioned, I will add some garland on the tree. And this garland will be made of cranberries and popcorn. I will begin to draw this garland at the top of the tree. I will be drawing little circles of similar sizes to look like the berries, and then I'll draw little popcorn shapes every so often. As I am drawing, I want this garland to look as though it is laying gently on the branches, as though the garland is being wrapped around the tree. You'll notice I will draw this garland to look as though it is going over and under some of the different branches. Oh, how I love to decorate for Christmas, especially the Christmas tree. And now I have finished drawing the garland on our Christmas tree. Now, what do I add at this time? I know! I'll use my imagination to draw all different types of ornaments on this Christmas tree. And if you are drawing along with me, you too can use your imaginations and draw all sorts of different ornaments. And as I draw, you can try to guess the different types of ornaments that I am drawing. Go ahead and call them out loud. Woo-hoo! Let's have a little bit of fun with this ornament and draw it to look as though it is falling off the tree. Woohoo! I love to be creative, and you can too as you draw. Woohoo! And let's draw just a couple more ornaments to complete the decorations on our Christmas tree. now that we have our ornaments all drawn, now let's look under the Christmas tree and see what we'll find. Let's draw some gifts and other creative ideas. Hoo-hoo-hoo! At this point, I will speed up our video to finish our drawing. Woohoo! Have our Christmas tree filled with all kinds of decorations and presents and goodies under the tree. Oh boy, that sure was fun.
What a creative holiday scene!
This Christmas tree follow-along has sure been fun.
Yeah, cool, following this ornament.
We'll see you next time, and remember to
Be creative!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Remember to go to our website for our latest activities and downloads, including today's follow-along. Register today for free.
Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends!